So tell me, what did you guys draw today?
Sunset.
Let me see whose drawing is the best. Everyone, look at everyone's drawing. Are you sure?
Video
Okay, be serious. All hands on deck. All hands on deck. Be serious. Everyone is drawing. Okay, so this is sun. The color is yellow. Who has this color? Birds are flying.
Do you have any more oranges? You need an orange. Oh, can you just have it? You need orange, yaar. देखो ये orange है नहीं ये pink चल रहा है अच्छा इसको तो जरा नहीं तो और है ना यार ये खराब है इसलिए तुम give the sharpeners यार ये दूसरा शेड है ये डार्क वाला है मैंने लाइट से किया हुआ है तो मैंने क्या किया यार तो तुम मैं दे दो मैंने बस स्केट करना है मेरे पास
Concentrate and draw your one.
Mommy, please.
Can anyone give Heather a page?
I'm just gonna if you do.
No.
More pages left. There is.
That's it. Really bad, so many pages for everybody.
I think they're getting cold.
All the things.
Why will I think they're not getting
Go and draw more.
Oh,
Come
it's
get
up
your
there.
sheets and draw more.
They're both.
Sheet has finished.
I have some. Yeah.
So tell me, what did you guys draw today?
Sunset.
Let me see whose drawing is the best. Everyone, look at everyone's drawing. Are you sure? Don't come close to me. Go back. Whose drawing is the best? Are you sure? Oh, don't come close. Whose drawing is the best? Yeah. Whose drawing is the best? So who had the best drawing? Let me see. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Just go back. Just go back a bit. Just go back a bit. Let me see. Let me see. Sanya, come over. Let me see your drawing.
Look, it's so good. Mine.
Okay. Okay. Now we are going to vote. Is Sanya's drawing the best drawing?
Yeah.
Is Sanya's drawing the best drawing?
Yeah.
Okay, Sanya, move aside. Who's next?
Me.
Okay, Kayode, let's look at Kayode. Show them your drawing. Show them your turn around. Show them your drawing. Show them your drawing. Is Kayode's drawing the best drawing? Okay, so from 1 to 5, what can we give to Kayode? Oh no, I give Kayode 5. I give Kayode 5. Okay, so who's next? Musa's drawing. Turn your drawing around. Let everybody see it. Okay, so is Musa's drawing the best drawing here? Is Musa's drawing the best drawing here? Okay, Musa go aside. But I give Musa 5. I give Musa 5. Okay, so let's look at where is Abrish? Okay, Fatma's drawing. So Fatma, look around. Show them your drawing. Is Fatma's drawing the best drawing here? Is Fatma's drawing the best drawing? Okay, if you support Fatma's drawing, let me see your hands.
No, it's not good.
Okay. Fatma, I give you a 5. Good.
What do you give mine? No,
A 5.
My turn.
Okay. Okay, everyone look at Tokwe's drawing. Is Tokwe's drawing the best drawing?
Yeah. No.
Is Tokwe's drawing the best drawing?
No.
But I give Tokwe a 5. Well done.
0.
So let's look at Abrish drawing. Abrish, show them your drawing.
No, it's not since I did 0.
Is Abrish drawing the best drawing here?
No.
But I give Abrish a 5. Who's next?
Me.
Who? Okay, Hadia.
Let her do what she wanna do.
So come this way. Don't be distracted. Hadia's drawing. Okay, Hadia did a good job. Hadia did well. Wow, let's clap for Hadia. Let's clap for him. Great. Hadia, I give you a 5 too. So who is next?
Me.
Okay, Dio, look at everyone now. How is Dio's drawing? So everyone did well. I am so happy that you all came out. So what do you all say for today? Come over this way. Look at me, everyone.
So good. And
So
we have a lot.
do you want us to continue?
Yes.
So what are we going to be drawing next week?
We are going to a solar system.
Solar system.
No, we can draw cupcakes. Cupcakes.
Okay, cupcakes.
No.
You don't want cupcakes?
Cupcakes.
Why?
Nature.
Nature. Okay, let's draw nature.